Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy LinkedIn update that will help you declutter your inbox. Archiving multiple conversations at once on your PC. If you're anything like me, your LinkedIn inbox can quickly become a digital jungle, and this new feature is a total game changer for maintaining a clean and organized workspace. Let's get started. First things first, fire up your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu. You'll spot the messaging icon, which looks like a little envelope. Give that a click to access your inbox. Now, on the left side of your inbox, you should see a More icon. It appears as 3 dots. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Conversations. This will take you to a screen where you can select multiple conversations for bulk actions. Here's where the magic happens. You'll notice checkboxes next to each conversation in your inbox. Simply tick the boxes next to all the conversations you want to archive. You can select as many as you need, making quick work of those old or irrelevant chats. Once you've selected all the conversations, look for the archive icon. It's usually located at the top or bottom of the screen, depending on your layout. Click this icon to archive all the selected conversations. LinkedIn might ask you to confirm your decision, so go ahead and confirm. And that's it. You've successfully archived multiple conversations on LinkedIn. Your inbox should now be a little lighter and a lot more manageable. Remember, archiving isn't the same as deleting. Archived conversations are simply moved out of your main inbox view, but can still be accessed in the Archives section. To access your archived messages, just go back to your inbox and look for the archive link in the left pane. Click on it, and you'll see all your archived conversations ready to be reviewed or restored if needed. This new bulk archiving feature is a fantastic time saver for anyone who uses LinkedIn regularly. It allows you to maintain a tidy inbox without permanently deleting important conversations. So, take a few minutes to clear out those old messages and enjoy a cleaner, more organized LinkedIn experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy networking!